Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. We are learning Excel automation here. In this series, today we will learn the lookup data table activity and also see how lookup function work in a Excel. So firstly we see in the Excel how it's work in the Excel. Then we go to the UIPATH Studio and make a workflow for using this activity. So I'm opening the Excel. So you can see here I'm written some data for lookup. So here I'm taken the three columns: name, subject, and marks. So will show you how lookup function works. So you can equal to right equal to VLOOKUP, and here you can see lookup value. So I'm providing the lookup value here from the E3 cell, and then press comma, and then the select the table array. So I'm selecting the table array, and then comma, and then you need to provide the column index which value you want to, like I'm wanting the marks value. So here I'm providing the 1 2 3, so 3 column. So I'm providing 3 here, control and close the bracket and press enter. You can see here the value is not coming because we are not providing the lookup value. So here I'm writing Ranjit. So you can see the value is coming Ranjit. This is not right value. uh, RANJEET, Ranjit. So you get the exact value. Okay. If you want to, like I'm providing here the lookup value is Rohit. So you see here 77 value is coming. So I hope you understand how lookup function work in Excel. So let's go to the UiPath Studio and see this. I make the program. So delete that value and save the file. Go to the UiPath Studio and create a new workflow. Control N, lookup data table. So here I'm using the sequence uh, flow, and if you want to use the flow chart, you can use that flow chart as well. So I'm making program in the sequence. So firstly I'm taking the activity is a Excel application scope activity, and then we provide the file which are we working on. So here I'm working on the lookup data Excel file. So select that file, and then we read the data from the Excel file. So then we using the read range activity. Here I'm providing the sheet name sheet1, and here you need to create a variable control K, input dt. So after that uh, we are learning here the lookup data table activity. So then we use that activity, lookup data table activity. So here you can see uh, the data table name. So I'm providing the here input data dt, and you can see here lookup value, asking the lookup value. So what is the lookup value? So we take lookup value from the user at the runtime. So then that's why I'm here using the input dialog box. So here I'm taking activity of input dialog box and providing here info. In the label I'm providing the please enter any lookup value. Okay, and are stored in the any variable. So here control K, I'm creating a variable with the lookup name, lookup value. Okay, so we have taken the input from the user, and then we use that input in the lookup data table activity. So here lookup, in the lookup value I'm providing the lookup variable, lookup value variable. Okay, then you can see here lookup column. So this value in which column are in present. So in the lookup value I'm providing the name of any user. So you can see in the sheet. So this is a lookup value name. So I'm providing here the name column index, or you can provide the name column as well. So here, if you want to provide in the name, so you write in the this field. If you want to provide in the index, then right here. So I'm providing the index here. So index of that column is 0, and then you create a variable, output variable here, control K, out dt. So, and then you need to provide the target column. So which value you wanted to retrieve, fetch. So here I'm want to the value of marks. Like I want to marks of Rohit. So Rohit is a lookup value, and the marks is a I wanted to the target value, target column. So here you need to provide the in column index as well, and you as well you can provide the column name. So here I'm providing the column name marks. Okay. So I have already all the fields provided the input. After that, output write in the Excel file. So here I'm using write cell activity. So write cell activity, I'm providing here the firstly I'm writing the lookup value that we take from the user. So that is a lookup value, and writing in the uh, E3 cell. Okay, and after that again I'm using the write cell activity, and here I'm taking the out data variable here the out dt. Okay, I have created the out dt variable, so it's not data table, it's only the variable. So I've changed here the name, and also check the uh, this value out dt variable type. So here you can see the out dt. Firstly I'm change the name here, out data or dt. Okay, and the variable type is must be generic value. So change the variable type here, and then out data is here, and here also provide the cell value. So E F3. I'm here providing the F3. Okay. Control S and save the program. And I will run this program and show you the output. So I've run the program. Yeah, here I'm asking the lookup value. So here I'm providing the Rohit. Okay. Yeah, program is completed. Go to the Excel sheet and see here the value is populated. Rohit, lookup value is Rohit, and the corresponding value of marks is 77. So I hope you understand lookup data table activity in UiPath. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. And that's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.